Hi everyone, good day. This is Sienna Catherine as Montebon. So today's video is I'm going to share to you about a product-oriented assessment. So I'm going to show to you an output later on, but I chose DIY, simple flowers. So just keep on watching. Let's go. DIY products are the products produced from previous products that can still be used for their surroundings. These simple DIY products will help your home to add beauty and sense of living. Simple yet attractive. But in making such DIY products, we need to have a rubric to use to assess its level of beauty and usefulness. In holistic rubric, I have here scores 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 as the lowest and 4 as the highest. In the description, score 1, most of the folded part folded poorly. The video are messy and unclean, and the audience is losing their interest most of the time. Score 2, some folded part is folded poorly. Some aspects of the video are messy and unclean, and the audience is slowly losing their interest in finishing the video. Score 3, all folded part is folded correctly. The video is presented in a clean and well-organized manner, and the audience is kept interested throughout the video. And score number 4, all folded part is perfectly folded. Presentation surpasses expectations even if it is very simple DIY products, and the audience is kept exceptionally interested throughout the video. Analytic rubric. I have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 as the highest score and 1 as the lowest score. Under in presenting all the things needed. In score number 1, the video shows no interest in preparing the things needed. Score number 2, the video shows a developing interest in preparing the things needed. Score number 3, the video shows a proficient understanding in preparing the things needed. And score number 4, the video shows an exceptional understanding in preparing the things needed. Second, under in the making process. Score 1, there is no use of having interest if in making the products is lifeless. Score 2, there is limited use of interest in making the product. Score 3, there is considerable use of interest in making the product. And score 4, there is exceptional use of interest in making the product. Last part, under in presenting the finished product. Score 1, the video shows no interest in making the product. The finished output will prove it. Score 2, the video shows limited interest in making the product. The finished output will prove it. Score 3, the video shows considerable interest in making the product. The finished output will prove it. And score 4, the video shows exceptional interest in making the product. The video finished output will prove it. What we do that includes effort and perseverance will result to best output.